This is Joey from Guangzhou Nation Beauty. Nice to meet you guys. I think you already know the facial treatment of 4D resonation from Fotona body laser machine, and which is finished by the dual wavelengths of YAG plus the NDYG. So this is the machine, which is also very popular right now. And later I will show you how to use this machine and what are the functions. I'll show you one by one. Okay, so first step, just to open the machine. Okay, switch the key here. Then we will get into the interface. Okay, now we are getting into the interface. Let's check the menu here. There are three functions, and each wavelength will have three different kind of treatment. You see, this is the YG and this is the NDYG, and the third one is the twin light. Now we will get to the YG laser first. The first treatment is the skin resurfacing. Okay, we will need to choose different treatment pros. Okay, so the first treatment, which is working for the intraoral, for facial slimming, for face lifting. When we get into the interface, normally we will use R11 laser probe. It will have three different kinds of spot size laser probes for you to choose when you do treatments. You can choose it according to your treatment needs. After we choose the laser probe, we need to choose the treatment depth and the heat. And when we're ready, click here. And now we get into another interface to set the parameters. You can see we need to adjust the energy here, adjust the housewife frequency. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, when we are ready, we need to click the start on the interface, and then we need to press the foot pedal to start the treatment. You can see the spot sign. Okay, in this interface, this treatment pro is for intraoral treatment, and here is the S runner, which is the fractional mode. When we use fractional mode, we need to use this handle. Okay, install it here. And we can see here, same as before, we need to choose the depth and the heat while during the treatment. And here inside we need to adjust the energy. This is the pulse plate, and this is the stack. And here we can choose the shape of the treatment area. Okay, let's try it first. Let's start. Okay, we can choose other shape like circle, triangle, and we can choose different energy. And this is the house point. Okay, adjust this, and this is the distance of the between the dots. Okay, let's check the different parameters, like the house white smaller and the distance smaller. Maybe 2. Okay, ready. Okay, this is the second function of the YAG laser. Let's get back to the interface. We can see this. This is the third function of the private mode. We normally use this. This is the G set. Okay, this is the G set, which is for the Regina treatment, working very good for the Regina tightening and sculpting. Okay, when we use the vagina treatment, we need to take this out and replace this probe, laser probe. Okay, this is the second waveband of NDYG, and we can see the function here. Hair removal, veins removal, and this is the lesion treatment. This is the most used function. Normally we choose R33T. We have three different kinds of laser probes for you to choose. You can use different spot size to do the treatment. We need to choose different hair colors here. And this is the hair follicles color and color. Get inside. And we need to choose the energy. Okay, this is the frequency. Housewife. Click start. Here's the hair removal function by NDYG. And the third function is the twin light, which is very popular right now, the 4D recognition. So let's check this one. This is the 2D. Okay, adjust the energy. And this is the 3D, 3 steps. Same, adjust the parameters. And this is the 4D. 4D has 4 steps. It will need to use different kind of wig glass, so you will need to exchange the handles while doing this treatment. We can see step 1 is the YG. And step 2, Frac 3, is using the NDYG. Okay, we need to change a different handle to use while doing the treatment. Okay, let's see the third step. Step 3, piano sculpting. Okay, adjust parameters here. Step 4, superfacial. YG laser again. And when we are doing treatment, we need to adjust the energy one by one. Okay. Please start by here. Okay, so that's all for this machine.